Hiding all this wire behind the panel. Remove the batteries so I can get the panel off. And all of this lovely stuff I got here. So I think the first thing I want to do is take the power off the batteries over there. Maybe, no, I should do it from here. Wait a minute. I'm bringing the wires through. From here, goes in there, comes back out right there. I may remove that air vent. That'll help a lot, especially with this stuff. Yeah, that little air vent over there is going to come apart. A lot of the wires are going to come from right there. That air vent, I'll show you that if you're not seeing it. Plus I have to put this in between. Oh wow, I put that on pretty tight. If I just disconnect the positive side of this battery, it'll be the same thing as shutting this switch off. Okay, so it's teaching me something here. I just removed the positive of the battery and it did not shut it off. The solar panel's still working. I don't know. Did I take the right one? Yeah, I took the right one off. Alright, so we gotta take this off too. Take the negative anyways, so we can move the batteries. They gotta be the first thing to move. And they gotta stay off too. These two guys stay off. Separated it. This is my little fans. Battery powered fans, which today is a whole of a lot better day than yesterday. Yesterday was pretty bad out here. It was pretty brutal. The heat was bad, right, Joey? Wasn't the heat pretty bad yesterday? Yeah. Sure was, wasn't it? Alright, and so this one here is my controller over there. My USB ports and yeah, let's just call it a USB port 0 later. So okay, I brought my hole saws and I brought the tool that's necessary to pull these panels off. First thing you gotta do is find where to pop them off at. If you don't pop them off exactly where they're supposed to be popped off, sometimes they don't pop off like they should. Here's where it starts. Life starts getting complicated here. Alright, it came out in one piece. Unbelievable. I don't want this to break. It feels like it'll crack real quick. So let's get this out of here. Laying flat. So, this job will consist of, first part we're going to do is the solar panel okay, that didn't work. That was a fail. I want it to go straight on there so I can pull it straight because this is 100 feet. I said it's 100 feet. Unless you go out the side door. Let's throw this out the side door because I got to be pulling it back this way. I'm just overworking myself, going from this way through this and then back this way. Pulling it from this side, going back that way. So if I'm pulling it from behind, join in when this is coming back. Okay. Makes more sense if I pull it this way, pull it out this side. We're coming this way anyway. There you go. Here we are. I know I bought me some more of these. Hold the cable in place wherever I need it. I bought some thicker one with the insulation. What else is there? For the rib nuts, I got proper sizes there for the rib nuts. Let's see what else I got. Okay, that's about it. I got some Home Depot brackets for my homemade cabinets I'm going to make. And I got some tape here. So let's put that over there. These are the wheels I was telling you about. I know no disconnection. And these brackets go up there. So, just making it room for my bud to come up and do his inspection here. There we go. Alright. Here's a roll of tapes. These will get put away later. So, to feed the positive and negative into through the cavities, we need to keep the negative and positive of the panels. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a second. I almost made a mistake here. Let's first cover up the positive ground. There we go. It really doesn't make a difference because I'm cutting it off. I'm cutting it shorter later. So let's just do that. There. We cut off one end. Less chance of it shorting out. This one off. And I still have it wrapped around the red first. Now the black. So, and I like to leave that little tip out. Find my end that I friggin' wrapped around it. And this is something I've been using all day. Alright. So, why this don't have? Okay. Took the factory clips and tried to put the cables on. They snapped them right off. They were they're only good for holding it together, which I'll probably do when I'm feeding them downwards, just to hold it together. That's all it's good for. I mean, I reuse stuff. I'm a good reuser. I don't like throwing nothing away. You know what? Let's remove this one right now. So we can get the black. You know what? Forget it. Let's put these together now. There you go. They're clipped together. Now, our problem is now there's a hole up here in this cavity. Yep. Well, I don't believe there's a hole in here. That's weird. There's another hole in this cavity. I hit bottom. I believe I'm at the bottom there. Maybe I'm at the bottom already. So this has its own insulation here. There's no hole. There has to be. How would they get the wires from this? Now, see, it came up from the top. And it stops right here. I believe I have to remove the tail light lens so I can bring it down as low as possible and sneak it down in through here. The panel will just have to, there's another panel goes here and this panel that goes there. Okay. Oh, maybe you can't see it. Here's what's happening. I am shoving it down this area. You see it down there moving now. What I'm going to do is remove the tail light lens, bring it into this hole here, and then just bring it out this way. Everything else is going to do the same thing. Anything else, which is this one right here. I might have to pull that back up. I have to step very carefully. There is a channel right here. Yep. There's a channel right here. Need that tape. What did I do with it now? There it is. This was a spot where I cut in, but I didn't cut the cable in half. I cut in to put the backup camera through here. 12-volt backup camera. We're going to have to address that later. I got this like this. Put these two guys together. Yeah. There's no power to this, so I'm not worrying about. This is just so I can feed the two of them at the same time in this direction. Alright, folks, this is called fishing wire. You run it through some channels that you can't get in, and you want to get it to come back on the other side for you. Okay, there you go. I don't know if it's recording or not. I'm sorry for all the wiggling. Well, there's that's the fishing wire. And then you're supposed to tape these two. You flip it around that, you tape it up, and then you pull it through. Okay? You just simply pull that. There it is. Tape it up. When you start pulling it, it'll come out on the other side, and you'll be able to see that in a second. I'm going to set you up to see it coming out. Right after I tape this up. And this ain't got to be super taped up. You just got to, I don't know, you want to find the end of that stupid thing. And then, as you see here, here's my fish, the other end. We're going to help it go up this side. Give it a little help. And here it is, right there. We do. We'll be using this a lot, looks like. Remove your tape. We have a wire sitting there. Just throw this down here on the ground. I got a lot of slack on this side, so I'll be pulling it some more. Right there's my end of my slack. Alright, so now pull this back up to the right channel. And what I have to do is put another extension on this wire to make it reach as far as this one. So since I want this little cable from this side of the panel, from this side of the van, to come down on the same channel as the solar panel, I just taped them together. I had it down there a few minutes ago, and I just pulled it back out. Look for the hole. Here's the hole right here. Push it down. Now it's very hard, but I put it down. Ow! I put it down there so easily last time. Oh, I see. Okay. this here. Way down here already. No. I'm pretty sure it's right down here somewhere. Pretty doggone sure. But let's just take the lens out. I'll be able to reach right up in there and grab it. Let's check your feet. They're not wrapped up in the wiring, so you don't start going head first down into the ground. Holy crap. Like that. There's water in them there. It's only a light though. And it flipped on itself. Remove the little ones off of here. Some more slack up there for this one. Getting held up. Comes off. Best I can. No sharp edges in here, so it's all good. And that one's way over there. So we're going to test it. Same thing with this. do for this one. It would have to go underneath, but it's not. So I'm going to have to come from top. Sharp edges in here. Don't worry about it. Everything get a little tight from the cavity that's in there. The cavity so far looks like it'll accept a whole lot more. Oh, that's fantastic. I won't be able to come up underneath. Make it look more professional. This one in there somewhere. Come on, where's the black one? There it is. Okay. Let's start on this one. I don't know how far we're cutting that cable, but we are cutting them. Well, let me put it to you this way. I mean, if I need more than that, then I got a problem. So that way, get all the clutter out of the way. This thing is, you know. Alright, let's throw this inside there. So, I still haven't, that's not going there anyway. And that one is in the position I want it, which is the wire I ran around, so that's fine. We'll just leave that as is. We'll leave that one there, and this one here. Actually, will go same way. Do this back panel. Right through the light part of the panel. Now, I probably not get that. I'm gonna get this. So. carry right here. This one with a lot of slack. Okay, so I can move this way over here if I have to. Okay, let's just test it. Let's not make sure it's going in this place where it's supposed to go. Oh, sorry. Well, oh, guess what? This one's supposed to go there. No, it's not. Okay, I go like this. That'll keep the wire in the spot. And as I'm laying down on the bed, I can see it. It's not high enough. On it right there. I'm not giving it a chance. On it there. Oh shit, let's go in. Son of a bitch. Goes in this way. That way the panel is hiding most of it. Also, right here with the blue tooth. This is not getting cut. Put a bone of this back here. Because you can't cut it, otherwise you're going to mess it up. So that's there. Where's the temperature sensor? Temperature sensor comes out. Spot. Where's that? Let's tie these guys up. Oh, you know what, buddy? That zip tie to do it. Little buggers. It's better yet. That sits there. Enough now, both leads go in the same place. Out. Here's the lead that pulls it in. So one will go under the charge controller. Again, and the lead coming out. They can go through the same hole. I'm just going to leave that much. Zip tie this one. Right there. So whoever grabs this thing, it's, you know, all the pieces will still be intact, brand new. Okay. Now we run them wires over there, back over here and out this hole. Because if you remember, I'm putting everything through this hole, I guess. It's sitting somewhere down here. Woohoo! So I did the one going around this way. Sorry. I should put the switch. It won't reach around anyway. No. So this one here, I will just leave it there for a second. Let's put the lens back in. I believe I need to go in here anymore. I'll do a better job than they do in the future. I'll come back and I'll do something here, some kind of foam, hard rubber foam or something. I'll do it better. So now I did not interfere with the lens closing, walk away, or this guy right here that just snaps in. No interference going on now, because I came out of another cavity. Cable, light bulbs, snap it back in, like it's supposed to go, and I know what's for where. The panel will hide this section right here. The only thing will be exposed is that, because that's a lot more work than I expect to do, or expected to do. Now, those wires from the bus bar. So the first wire I need to remove is this one, which is going to be my direct power to that there thing. Plus, I got to remove not this one. Alright, I'm getting confused. Let's get this one out of the way. Alright, so that's my first part. Here's the whole bus bar there. See that over there? I'm going to bring this. I believe the bus bars were around here somewhere. So, will it? Out here, so this will also be tucked in here simply because I don't have extra lugs. But now, I'll grab this one. In there. I believe I can come out this hole. I don't think that's where the buttons were for it. I do not believe it was. So now this side and that side is hidden. We'll be having a little bit of hidden action here. The bus bars are right there. Fuse block was right here. I think. The inverter was right here. I gotta put in between the inverter. Power block. So here's my layout. What is this? This one's wait a minute. It's still on the top. Why is it still on the top? I'll bring this one. It's going to go down the other too. This one. Joey! That one was just a little too thick in the way. This one comes in through here also. I must have forgot about it. Left it in there. All right, let's go. go. I just left it right up through here. Just put it back up through here. Oh, shoot. Oh, the motor. All right. First thing. This one. Get this wire. Let me get this tape. Come in through the same spot there. These are all from 12-volt chargers and 5-amp chargers. All of this. Chewy. First. Here it goes. Here we go. Come on. Come on. There. That's it. All right. This one I can cut down smaller. There's that through the other side. Okay, so these guys are going down in there. These two guys, they go down through here. Back up. So yeah, charge controller. Charge controller, charge controller. Charge controller, charge controller. All three of the things are over there. The problem now is these two guys they're going to the battery. The battery. That also goes through here. Okay, so I gotta release. The taping idea was not a good idea. Okay, I got everything behind the panels. I mean behind the metal. Now I need them to come through the panel. Again, I was just going to make this work out in my benefit. My benefit. Let's go like this. A little bit. Alright, there's no use in it's going to be a tight squeeze. Maybe I go the next size up. Okay, so far this is what I got going on through the panel. Hidden wires. I forgot to cut you back on when I was cutting the holes through there, but I cut a hole in through the bottom of this one. You don't see wire at all. I got a hole here for this here. I got a big hole here for all these wires coming through. So on this side we have the communication for the Bluetooth. And we need the communication for the temperature sensor. Now, these two are the battery. We're going to resort to the old-fashioned razor blade cut. Come out, there's nothing on it. Okay, it's negative. There's the positive. Now, I can't remember whether you're supposed to connect the battery first or last. Can't be first because I got to flip these cables onto the charge controller. Alright, let's just put it. Let's just do it this way. EV negative. EV positive. Okay, now I'm keeping let's unplug this guy, temperature sensor, and Positive, negative, positive. I try to keep I want the whole wire put in there because this is a nice, good, thick wire giving the battery a good charge. Okay. Next thing. These are all going to go that way. This guy stays on this side. This is the guy I want on that side. Actually, I'm going to finish this guy in. This forgot I need. No. Chewy. My plan is try to get 2 more of these guys. Some more AGM batteries at 100 amp hours because here's the battery temperature. Doohickey. There we go. Let's stick them together there. Okay. All right, people. There it is. There you are. I'm reading 14.3 there. We're reading 14.4 on the other side. And this one I have to tie it up still. 14.3 on this side. My next project is let's see if we can do it now. We're going to run the extension cord up on the ceiling there. Yeah. Right by the TV. We're going to take this extension cord. I'm going to run it up here. This one has to get plugged up to that there inverter. And I need enough to get to my coffee table right here. I'll make it look like this. For a moment. Let's see if it reaches the inverter. It does not reach the inverter that way. So, make this work the way I would make it work. Here. Some ties up here. Of course, we're going to put some straps. Make sure it stays up there. This is coming down. Some straps across here. Something like that. I might need another extension. Maybe I could bring this extension down to here for the coffee pot. Let's see. Oops. Panels will be coming right on in here, so we can't pull it. It's got to come outside the panel. It's going to come at least this far down. All right. Right here in the corner. Wow. Got a lot of power into that one. Yeah. On this, keep them on. Don't fall off. Then